So, Joy the loser. Joy the pussy. Sneeze. So, let me get this straight, bro. All of a sudden, you gonna take over everything because you go get close to 10K. But let me let you in a little secret. You don't have 1K, let alone close to 10K. But why are you so dumb? Why are you so dumb, broke, homeless, pussy, couldn't beat your own shadow up? Out here prostituting for money. Why are you running your mouth so much, bro? You, every time you get money, and it ain't even real money neither. It's like maybe $100 tops. And then you go get a whole bunch of ones that make it look like it's just unbelievable. Why? 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 Do you always feel like you have to do this? Every time you get money, you start talking like you tough. You're not tough. The reason why you messing with this dude, Charles, because you know he ain't nowhere near you right now. Bro, you can't fight, you can't rap, you can't. Hell, I'm starting to question you ain't even talk right. You look so dumb putting that West Side crap up. Bro, you. If you a thug, Betty White is banging right now at 90. Bro, bro, you are just so annoying. You just one of those people that I just want to beat you up just because it's you. I mean, I'm just being straight up, bro. You make somebody want to just beat you down, bro, for just because who you are. You are what the world will say is that person that everybody be like, man, here go Tyree, Joy the loser walking across the street coming over, knowing everybody hates you. You still come over like you tough, but you probably everybody in the house didn't beat you up at least once, but you keep on thinking you tough, bro. And another thing, bro, all of your belongings fits in book bags. Book bags. You cannot give advice to people that literally yourself don't have a pot to piss in, don't have nowhere to really call your own. You sell everything you get, and then you got the nerve to try to tell people how to live their life because you got $52, $30 in ones. I have never seen it in my life. You know what this is? You are that person that is a crappy parent, but see somebody else's child doing something, and you will try to chastise the parent. Like, you probably shouldn't be doing that. You shouldn't let your kids do that. That's bad. Knowing your sorry butt is a crappy mom, a crappy dad, and you sitting there trying to tell somebody else how to be a parent. That's you. You are a crappy rapper, even crappier person, even a crappier, when you started singing, Jesus, you stir something up in my bowels. Boy, you gave me the best deuce I ever had, bro. That music is just perfect for crapping on. It is good, bro. I'll tell you what, you should take your music, take it to a nursing home, play it through the microphone at the nursing home, and all those old people that have struggled deucing it would probably start deucing on the regular. Because the only thing they got to hear is, a cannibal hawk, a cannibal hawk. Y'all don't want the cannibal hawk, cannibal hawk. That's the only thing they need to hear, and everybody start deucing it. Because your music is trash. Trash, trash, trash. Bro, you play that first, that probably get the stomachs rumbling. Then you pop in, hey, what's his other terrible song, Cannibal Hawk, and what else? Oh, Famous? Oh, I Need Silence. I need to play those two, play those back to back, bro. You will be a millionaire because you always said you want to be a millionaire. You'll be a millionaire to all the nursing homes because your music is that trash where you can play it and literally those old people guts will start bubbling up and here come the floodgates because you have the worst music on this planet. You even look worse than your music. You are the undisputed, bro. Loser, crappy rapper, crappy person on this planet. I'm telling you that straight up, bro. I mean, I thought I heard it all when seeing you trying to sing by Credible Hulk. A Credible Hulk? A Credible Hulk? You don't want to mess with a Credible Hulk? What the F is that, bro? And you know what? And this right here, I'm about to say, really, this cut the cake, bro. I have never seen somebody fake having fans. That gotta be low, man. That's like those unwritten rules type stuff. I mean, it's just put aside the fact that you are faking like you got fans, like this paying you, and you need these fans. That's telling me that you have absolutely no life, and your life predicated around YouTube. But then you try to find some way somehow to pit people down. Because you know why? Because losers sneeze have no life. So having no life means having no life, and you want somebody else to be miserable like you. So that's why you're trying to get on this dude Charles and trying to I guess get fans from that. Like people gonna be like, ooh, he's back. He's back. So that means the gutter rat is back. He's back and he's ready to go. No, gutter rat. You are done, bro. You're done. You're done. You don't have nothing. You don't have no fans. No fans is coming back for your nasty, disgusting butt. Bro, just do us a favor and just stop breathing for like 10 minutes and we go from there. If you wake back up, it'll stink, but you're alive still. But if you don't, bro, we'd be so happy. We'd be so happy, bro. You not waking up, you'd be so happy. We'd be so happy because you are just that great of a loser that we just want you just to go to sleep for a while. Because, bro, you're a child. You are a child within a child. Because, bro, it gets annoying, bro, how much you try to be a prick to people just because you got a few dollars in your pocket. And that's like even more of a slap in the face because you have no real money. Bro, you think that money you be flashing is real? Bro, you're gonna be broke by Thursday. Broke. Because, one, bro, I think you're really dumb. You don't know what, you don't even know what work smarter, not harder mean. You don't know what it means. And I don't even know how you not know what that means. It's literally telling you in the word. Work smarter, not harder. You see how that works? See how words come together and they form another word? Bro, I really think you're dumb as a bag of bricks. I really do. I really do, bro. Because only an idiot would say, I would rather spend $800 a month for a roach-infested motels that has a 20-inch TV in the whole room, and you walking around looking disgusting. I know you don't make sure that the sheets is clean and stuff. Because look at you. You got that bird back on that goddamn chair. Just look disgusting, bro. Like, that chair look like I haven't been scrubbed in years. And look at you, your hillbilly butt. Got yourself no shirt on. No shirt on. Talking about a cannibal hook. A cannibal hook. Who the F wants to hear that? And bro, it's just flat out, man. You literally are that pitiful of a person that had to fake fans. But you got fans worldwide. Well, maybe you mean Youngstown wide, or I say Youngstown. Maybe you mean from Austin to San Antonio worldwide, you know. Maybe you mean that, not worldwide. Because, bro, I don't even think people on your street know who you are, let alone worldwide. Okay. Worldwide. You can't even spell worldwide, let alone you worldwide spell it for us. And second, bro, show us the bank account that you got this money. Show it. If you don't show it, shut the F up about it. Worldwide. Is it a street name, Worldwide, that you that you meant to say? You are good and terrible, bro. But like I said, man, stop it, bro. Stop. Please just stop. Please. Please, I'm begging you. Loser.